Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change operations or campaign mode without automatically joining a squad. And to do this, as you can see, I'm in the operations, so let's change back to campaign. And now to open operations mode without joining any squad or a mission, we need to interact with the console again. Go for operations tab like this and then click on escape to go back. Then confirm it with accept and pick whichever class you like, and as you can see we just changed to operations mode without joining any mission or a squad. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.